In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your My Eyes Only password. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat, then click on this Memories option. Here, head over to this section, My Eyes Only. Now, click on the Options. Now here you're going to get this pop-up. Select the option, Change Passcode. Now you will need to enter your current passcode in order to change your passcode. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the option Forget Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat password. Type in that. Then you'll be able to reset your Snapchat My Eyes Only passcode. But doing so typically removes the content currently stored in My Eyes Only. So head over to your profile, go to Settings, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Help Center. Here in the box, type in Reset My Eyes Only password and search for it. Now you're gonna get the solutions for it. Just scroll through this and this might resolve the issue. Or you can use the support chatbot or submit a support request describing your situation and asking whether any recovery options are available for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.